Guangdong LVTONG New Energy Electric Vehicle Technology Company Limited, established on 2004, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of electric golf cart, sightseeing car and bus, electric patrol car, classic car, and mini car, etc. We are located in Dongguan City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO 9001, EEC, WMI certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, UK, Italy, Germany, Australia, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Egypt, South Africa, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Based on the unique understanding of these market, LVTONG own the full products line in order to reach all kinds of needs. With the basic concept of quality first, customer first, we believe that we will not only win the customer, but also win the market. We hope we can become the leader in the China electric vehicle industry.